Hey guys, welcome back to Secret Informant. I am here with Tina today. Hello.
Hi, Riley. Hi, I'm Tina, and I live in Vancouver. I am a Vietnamese professional singer, and I've had the great opportunity to visit Hanoi, the northern region of Vietnam, and other places in Vietnam.
I think I've just had, I've had pho soup.
Yes.
There's
more
obviously,
to it than that, okay?
There's a whole world.
In Vancouver, we only have a few northern Vietnamese cuisines, so this is one of my favorites. Definitely, you will taste a difference in the flavor. Even with the pho and any other dishes, there's a difference.
Let's travel to Vietnam instead of being stuck in Vancouver.
Let's go to Hanoi!
Yeah! All right.
Chào đến chị Rose Nguyễn, rất là vui và hân hạnh được ở tại đây ngay Mr. Red Cafe ở vùng Vancouver.
Nhà hàng này thì chị bắt đầu mở năm 2014. Thì trước là chị ở phía bên kia đường thì chị mới dọn sang bên này. Mang cái ý tưởng là chị là người mới nhập cư tới Vancouver, Canada cũng chỉ mấy năm thôi. Thì khi chị tới Vancouver thì chị thấy là thực sự là có một cái tức là rất là ít nhà hàng miền Bắc Việt Nam. Thì chị lại là người đến từ miền Bắc Việt Nam. Có một cái ước mơ nếu mà khi bọn chị có cơ hội và có điều kiện thì bọn chị sẽ mở được một cái nhà hàng nhỏ mang tên của chính mình và phục vụ đồng bào ở đây. Những cái món ăn nó mang tính chất rất là truyền thống và dân dã của người miền Bắc Việt Nam từ xưa hóa từ Việt Nam tới đây và mang chút văn hóa của hai miền để gắn kết cùng với nhau từ Vancouver về Hà Nội và Hà Nội đến Vancouver.
Cảm ơn chị rất là nhiều.
Cảm ơn.
Tina.
Riley.
We're here, we're sat down, we've got the food. So what are we looking at here?
Chả cá Hanoi. It's actually a fish fillet marinated in green onions, dill herbs, and chili peppers. Black sesame rice crackers, crushed peanuts, and also shrimp paste. Fermented shrimp paste.
Fermented shrimp paste?
Yes.
So what do you do?
So you grab some, yes. Oh. You're more pro than me. This is embarrassing. I think I'm like, can I have a fork, please, somebody? Some vermicelli. There's some deep fried shallots on here.
Shallots?
Yes. And there's also this black sesame rice cracker. You can just crack it and put it into your dish.
Oh.
You can do the honors.
With my fingies?
Yes. I hope you wash your hands, man. Or else you can keep it for yourself. You gotta sniff it.
Yeah,
you gotta smell.
You gotta snort the dill first. Yeah.
Some chilies on top.
That looks so good. Okay, yeah. And you gotta eat the straight chili.
For sure.
Is this like unbearable? Oh!
It's fresh chili peppers as well.
I just dropped it.
There's also the shrimp paste. It's actually a dipping sauce.
Drizzle it.
Drizzle all over. Just like caramel sauce.
Oh, what? Wow, that like doesn't even taste like fish. Tender, juicy. There's a bit of texture on the outside with like it's kind of seared a little bit. Yeah, the dill. It's like getting a splash of water in your mouth. A splash of dill water. I think I ate one of those peppers by accident. And now my mouth is slightly on fire.
And he's gonna have natural blush all day.
Yeah. Is that happening? Am I blushing?
You're blushing when you saw me in the first place already, so I don't know
Whoa! All right.
This dish is called chả cơm làng vòng.
Chả cơm làng vòng.
That was pretty good.
It was there
pretty
and then it left.
I'm sure if you went to Hanoi, people would understand you.
I don't think so.
This is a deep fried rice cake. It has young rice in it and also grounded pork and shrimp.
Oh dang, that sounds delicious.
Yeah.
And then it's fried.
Deep fried, yes. Okay.
Okay, what did you just grab them?
Yes. You use grab and you dip it into the
Obviously.
Vietnamese fish sauce. Yeah.
Okay.
Ladies first, go.
Thank you. Okay, dip it.
Yes, and there's some herbs here, cilantro and fresh mint leaves as well.
Should I grab?
Vietnamese people, yes, Vietnamese people love herbs. We eat herbs with everything.
Oh dang, okay. Well, I don't want to, come on.
Okay, let me help you there.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay.
Cheers.
Bottoms up.
Bottoms up.
Mmm.
The buttery, smooth texture is actually the young rice.
Okay. Yeah.
That
It is
green.
very smooth. It's also very sweet. When you chew into it, it's kind of got that pleasing texture of meat. But at the same time, it's like kind of really fluffy.
This dish is called bún đậu mắm tôm.
This is kind of intimidating. I don't know what that is.
This sausage that you see here is actually made of pork blood, mung beans, and coriander herbs.
Oh, pork blood sausage.
Yes.
Interesting. Definitely something I've never tried before.
Yeah.
So I'm
Well,
excited.
you're gonna try it now.
I like dishes where there's like a bunch of different components and you kind of just assemble it. It just looks pretty, you know? Okay, no, I'll start with a pork blood, you know? Just like face my fears
Just go
head
for
on.
it. Yeah.
It's very dark. Pork's blood, here we go. Okay, I don't know what to think yet. This is taking some mental resources to process. Kind of like a potatoey sort of thickness to it. Slightly barbecue-y,
Smoky.
yeah, smoky flavor
Yeah.
as well. Really good.
You gotta try the pork belly
Okay,
and the
pork
fried
belly.
tofu. Make sure you mix it well with the sauce and the vermicelli, okay?
Yeah, mixing. That's a big bite, but I'm gonna go for it. That's really good. I mean, it's a big chunk of meat.
Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah. Oh, wow. I feel amazing.
I'm glad.
This was delicious.
I was a little worried about you.
I was kind of worried too, to be completely honest. What would you say was your favorite?
I would say the deep fried rice cake with the young rice is my favorite.
If you guys are in Vancouver, definitely come check out Mr. Red Cafe. They are extremely friendly, and they've got the best pork blood sausage around. I haven't tried other pork blood sausage. I can't explain it. Wow.
Yeah.
Sweet, spicy, sour,
And salty. Yeah.
And what about umami? That's the other taste. Isn't it? There's salty, sweet, spicy,
And sour.
and sour.
Yeah.
And then there's umami.
What's umami? That's soy sauce,
Have
bro.
you guys, has no one heard of umami?
No.